bought a Philips TV second-hand yesterday, and it came with this remote control, which was disgustingly filthy when I got it, so I wanted to open it up and clean all the parts, and I couldn't find a tutorial video showing how to do it, so this is me making one. So the first thing is to take off this bit, pop out the batteries. There are two screws here, just next to the battery compartment. Once that's loose, I spent a long time thinking that this might come apart from this, but it doesn't. This plate here just needs to be popped out. You just need to run something like a guitar pick or a edge of a credit card or something along here. This was all completely gunked up. All around the inside of this was so disgusting when I got it. I couldn't see how this fits, but you do just need to pop something out of there and then run that round. And the faceplate will come off. And then you've exposed the rubberized part, so you can actually just, if it's clean, you can just lift it off in one piece. If it's all disgustingly dirty, it might be stuck to, like this, would probably be stuck to this. So that you can take this piece out if you want to clean. That's the meat of it. If you wanted to take this part off to clean it, then you can do so. I did that. And then you're left with this piece, which comes apart a little further as well. These are these three plastic rings which have some kind of adhesive in there, and they also have little sort of notches which will line up with that. That is fairly obvious which way that goes, but this one not so much. So they've got some adhesive on there. I managed to take it off and put it all back, and it seems to have stuck, so you probably don't need to worry about replacing it, but you could, I guess. Yeah, that's it, all taken apart, and then to put it back, do that in reverse.